Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll explore our core beliefs and how to challenge and redirect those that aren't serving us. Our core beliefs are deeply tied to how we view ourselves, each other, and the world around us. If they're positive, they can bolster our sense of self. But if they're harsh, our self-esteem can easily take a nosedive. And the thing is, our thoughts and responses can become so habitual that we believe they're accurate, even when they're not. This is why it's so important to revisit our beliefs and change them for the better. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seat. Let your spine lengthen without creating tension. And if you haven't yet, slowly close your eyes. Take a couple of breaths to move your awareness through your body and release any unnecessary tension. Soften your forehead and eyes. Release tension in your lips and jaw. Relax your neck and shoulders. And use your out breath to spread this relaxation through the rest of your body. And now, turn your attention to your natural breath. Stay present with each wave as each breath flows in and out. Watch the ebb and flow of your inhalations and exhalations again and again. As you continue to watch your breath, let your awareness grow to include what else is happening in your body. There's no need to search anything out. Just observe any physical sensations that arise. Notice if judgments arise around these sensations. The truth is, they're not good or bad, right or wrong. They are pure sensations. You don't have to name them or analyze them. Let any sensation come and go, keeping your breath as a backdrop to your experience. Now, soften your attention. There are many explanations for low self-esteem. It can stem from being criticized while growing up, or struggling in an education system that wasn't suited to our needs. It can be perpetuated because of financial mishaps, medical issues, or ongoing stress. Our childhood and adult experiences play a significant role in defining what we hold true about ourselves, others, and the world. These are called core beliefs, and regardless of their accuracy, we tend to view them as reality. You see, our self-esteem is deeply connected to and defined by our core beliefs. If we see ourselves as a failure and our colleagues as competitors, our self-worth will take a hard hit. On the other hand, if we believe we are strong and courageous and that the world is fundamentally a good place, our self-esteem grows. So, how do we redefine our thought patterns and beliefs? Well, the first step is to become aware of them. From there, we can challenge their truth. However, it's important to keep in mind that the longer we hold particular views, the harder it can be to recognize them as false. Kindness and patience are definitely required. Start by paying attention to any ingrained ways of thinking, such as jumping to negative conclusions, mistaking your feelings for facts, or falling into the all or nothing trap. As you notice these patterns, make a conscious decision to explore a different perspective. Ask yourself if your perception is based on actual logic or facts. Perhaps there is another way you could look at the situation. As you open up to another view of things, replace your negative thoughts with constructive ones. If you're putting lots of pressure on yourself and treating yourself like a letdown, try removing words like always or never, should or must, and find encouragement instead. You might say to yourself, "This is hard, but I know I can handle it." Or, "I'm confident I can get through this." Or on completing a task, filter out negative comments by offering yourself words of forgiveness or hope. You might say, "Everyone makes mistakes. I can learn from the experience." Or, "That wasn't perfect, but I'm glad I tried, and I'm proud of myself." Most of all, remember that it takes practice to dismantle and redirect your beliefs. So be gentle and patient. For every harsh word or thought, focus on something positive. Now, feel into your breath once more. Slowly bring yourself back by gently wiggling your fingers and toes, staying present to how it feels to move once more. And when you're ready, let your eyes softly open. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.